Yes, another I will have order shorty. My problem, that's not the right way to store your test leads. And a long time ago I bought this Promona something test lead holder, and I don't really have a real good place to screw it onto the wall. I want ideally to have it here somewhere at the door, but this is not really my door. That space is rented, so I cannot drill holes into the door. But I have already these hangers, and if we could somehow meet up these hangers with the test lead holder, yeah, that would be great. We'll see. These hangers, they look like an H, yeah, from this perspective, and they have that nice rounded part that basically begs to be drilled right here at the center, so you can put a screw through it and attach that test lead holder. Only problem, these thingies here where you would hang your coat or your test leads, that's interfering here a little bit. But you see, it's almost a perfect fit. So this part has to go, and I will leave a little bit of it here, so to give it a little bit more stiffness. And I hope that this will come down far enough. Hopefully, we'll see. Even chucking that into the vise. You can't see it from that side, but it takes up space down here. The other angle that goes around, the door itself. So even chucking up that was not trivial, but I managed, and it's not perfection or precision. I've made some markers here with the right distance, and okay, and stainless steel is quite hard. Let's get the file out and make that a little bit more finger friendly. So, one finished, and even with the hacksaw, okay, I messed it up, but nobody will see it because it will be hanging on the door. Scratched it. I won't polish that out. And good enough. I'll come back to you when I've got the second one done. Now, that is a perfect fit. Well, a good enough fit. But let's tap this, not tap, mark these holes and drill them and countersink them and so on. I'm going to center punch them, freestyle, just winging it in a millimeter off and on. Shouldn't be that critical. And yes, I marked them left and right, just to be sure if there are any asymmetries. And you already see the slight asymmetry here, where the holes will be. And I got my Proxon milli drill stand out for this occasion, a card link. And I definitely need a new 3mm drills. They go so fast when you're drilling metal with it. Well, that was just torture for that guy here. Yeah, maybe some cutting oil would have alleviated the problems, but okay. I better throw that one here away. Now for a wee bit of countersinking. Well, it's a nice countersink, but yeah, using cheap Chinesium, and yeah, the 3mm drill was also cheap Chinesium in stainless steel is not a great idea. Absolutely not. So let me clean up the bench and then we put everything together. Okay, let's put that together now. Oh, let's see how that looks on the door, huh? Well, looks rather good, I think. At least much better than before. Bye!